Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix ChatGPT OpenAI not working problem. So, if your ChatGPT is also not working for you right now, here's how you can fix it. Many users are reporting that the ChatGPT is not working, and when they try to upload a photo, send a voice message, or do any action, they see an error like something went wrong or your message won't send. So, the reason ChatGPT is not working because OpenAI servers are currently down. When the servers are overloaded or under maintenance, ChatGPT temporarily stops working. So, don't worry, this problem is not with your phone. If you're using mobile data, you can turn it off and then turn on again. If you're using Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect. After that, you can simply clear ChatGPT cache. Simply open up your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, inside your search for ChatGPT and then tap onto it. Now tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Offloading the app will delete the app but keeps its document and data. Since the server is down right now, the problem will usually fix within a few minutes, so just wait for a while and ChatGPT will start working again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.